Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the photo meets the Neet specs. 35 by 45 mm, white background, recent. Once that's clear, lay a hard, flat surface and wipe both items with a soft cloth so adhesive holds. Cut the photo carefully to match the printed box. Make sure the face fills about 80% of the frame. Then dry fit the photo onto the admit card slot, aligning margins precisely. Do not glue yet, because you may need to reposition. Now affix the photo. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to the back edge only. This prevents warping and seepage. Position the photo into the printed box and press from the center outward so no air pockets remain. Once aligned, hold steady for 30 seconds, then gently press the edges. If the instructions allow, place a small strip of clear tape over the top edge for extra security. Make sure the tape does not cover text or signatures. Finish by completing any required signatures. If told to sign across the photo, do so with a black or blue pen and match your official signature style. Once signed, allow the adhesive to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the card flat and alone to avoid pressure marks. Finally, inspect alignment, signature placement, and text legibility. Make sure the exam center stamp area remains clear. If the photo lifts or shifts, reapply with fresh adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.